To link a credit card to your PayPal account, it's actually very simple. So the first thing we need to do is to open our web browser, and you want to go to the PayPal login page and you want to log into your account. In this case, I'm going to use my NordPass password manager, which you can get with the link in the description. And once you are signed in, you'll be taken to your PayPal dashboard, which will look something like this. So to link your credit card, all you need to do is click on Pay and Get Paid tab at the very top, and then you want to click on the Money link underneath the Wallet menu. Once you're on the Money page, it will give you an overview of how much you've got available in your account, along with your connected currencies. However, if we scroll down even further, it will show you a list of what bank accounts and cards are connected to your PayPal account. So to add a new card, you want to click on Link a New Card, and from here you just want to enter in your card details along with your card type. And once you've done this, you want to click on Link Card. And if we go back to the Money page and we scroll all the way down, you'll know you've connected to your card because you'll see it underneath the cards list, which you can start transferring money between. And that is how you link your credit card to your PayPal account. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. And if you have any questions or comments, you can leave them below and I'll reply to you as soon as I can.